Okay, we just arrived and pulled our travel trailer into the space provided by the RV park. We brought down the stairs and opened it all up on the inside, and now we're going to show you how to get everything set up.
Here's one of the first things that we do. I like to put it here in the middle of the tire. If it rolls forward, it'll catch. If it rolls backwards, it'll catch. We're chalking both sides. If I do the front of the back tire on the other side, then I'm going to do the back of the front tire on this side. The box here, we have two switches. One of them is going to provide you with a little bit of light. The other one is going to move the foot up and down. So we're going to go ahead and start moving it down. There's a pin here. We're going to take out so we can get this foot to drop down. Find yourself a hole. Stick our pin back in. And then we're going to get a little bit of weight off of it and then start disconnecting our trailer. This pulls up and back. You might have to fiddle with it a little bit to get it to let go. Okay.
Everything that you need for the hookup of the travel trailer will be in the pass-through in the front, including waste hoses and water hoses.
This is going to create an incline for the waste hose.
The back of the bumper, this is where the waste hose is stored. This end cap piece comes off and you will slide it out that way.
So there's three things that we need to do to hook up our travel trailer. Waste, water, and electricity. So the first thing I always do is the electricity to get the AC running so that you can be comfortable when you're done doing all this. Here it shows you that you've got a 30 volt amp. So generally speaking, you're either going to have 30 or you're going to have 50. They're going to ask you that at the RV sites. The answer is 30. It only goes in one way. Once it goes in, it turns and it locks. So stick it in, turn it, lock it, and then this thing is going to screw on like so. And that just makes sure that it doesn't go anywhere. Find your electricity, find your 30 volt connection. It's only going to fit on one, and plug it in. Flip your breakers on, and you're set up.
Going inside really quickly to ensure that the electricity is on and the AC is running. Slides are still in until we can put the stabilizers down. AC is on, so we're good there. Electricity is running. Now we will connect the rest.
Alright, so one thing that you need to know is that shit doesn't flow uphill, so this is going to make it go downhill. You're going to have to play with this a little bit depending on what kind of surface you're working with. You might want to wear some gloves.
We're going to make a little adjustment to spread out the hose a little bit. We're going to back up the travel trailer just a tad to spread it out, the hose, so it doesn't have any kinks.
The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hook up my filter to our city water. This little guy is very important. This is a pressure regulator. This has to be on there before you plug in the hose. Freshwater connection, you can fill out your tanks up with that, and then your city water connection, which is what we're using. I want to turn the piece that is on the trailer and not the hose, because then the hose is going to get tangly. I like to put these underneath my trailer. It keeps your side looking nice and clean, and it also can prevent the hose from getting...
And we've got running water.
So when you arrive to your location, you are going to have different terrain. We were very fortunate to have a nice slab here, and so leveling this thing out is going to be really easy. It's never perfect, but you get it to a point where these stabilizers will keep this thing from rocking around while you're inside of it moving. The idea of these stabilizers is not to jack this thing up off the ground, but just to put a little bit of pressure down on that stabilizer to make contact with the ground, a little bit of pressure will do everything that you need it to do. So 4x4s here. I have a 19mm ratchet wrench that I'm going to leave for you in the pass-through, and you're just going to turn counterclockwise to pull this thing down. If you come prepared, the easiest way to do this is with the drill. I'm not going to leave that for you. Just like that, a little bit of pressure, it's going to lift up. That's all you need. Remember, just enough to make contact and lift it up. That's it. That's all it takes. Opening slides are relatively easy. You're going to use this button here that says slide room in, out. We want it to be out. I open up the window so that I can keep an eye on both sides.
Make sure that wherever you're parking your travel trailer that none of these electrical posts or water hookups are in the way prior to moving the slides out. And that stabilizers are down and wheels are chalked. The slides will stop once both are completely moved out. Right here in the center is your outdoor shower. In between the two slides is where you'll put a shower curtain if you need to be unclothed while you're showering outside.
This is your trailer lock. It's very simple. This is going to go underneath, and this slides right on top. Key is provided. Keep your trailer safe.